It distills essential elements of the latest AMD platform and combines them with game-ready features and proven durability. Engineered with military-grade components, unupgraded power solution, and a comprehensive set of cooling options, this motherboard delivers rock-solid performance with unwavering gaming stability. This is Wood of edwoodyward's channel, so let's jump in and unbox this thing of beauty. Hola, we are back in action. First up, we have the TUF Gaming user manual or user guide, which basically tells you everything about the board, what's on the BIOS, how to set up things, basically how to get you started in building your PC. Let's put this aside. Now let's remove the motherboard. Oh, this is beautiful. There you go. Now you have the other included accessories. We have the SATA cable for your SSD drives and mechanical hard disk drives for storage. There you go. Next up is the ever reliable CD for installation that no one really uses. Now a proof of being durable, stable, and reliable. That's what she said. And another piece of paper in here will be your multilingual quick start guide. It basically shows where to connect things, put things, labels on it, some basic information on your board. And these are fire. These are your TUF Gaming stickers. You could put them in your car, your door, your fridge, your mom's kitchen walls, as long as it makes you happy. Next is the I/O shield. Too bad it's not integrated on the board. Oh well, who am I to complain? As long as it's TUF Gaming. Next is these, nothing too fancy in here. These are your screws. Okay, screws for the drive, I guess. And another set of screws together with motherboard standoffs. And what is this? Rubber grommet? Nope. It's I don't know, a pad, 3M pad. And that's about it for those remaining parts in the box. Now let's take off the plastic from the Mobo and let's take a closer look on what it has to offer. Come on, plastic. Now the color scheme is not too shabby. This is black with yellow accents. Sometimes you can never go wrong with black, but I don't know. Anyways, let's take a closer look on the details of the motherboard. There's the front panel audio connector. Beside it is the Thunderbolt header for your USB Type-C ports. COM header is the black one, and the moment we have been waiting for are the RGB connectors. We have first the RGB header, which is 4-pin 12 volts. We have the ARGB 3-pin 5 volts, and the clear CMOS sensor, header. Then the thermal sensors we have there, the fan headers, CPU fans, and 2 USB 2.0 headers, allowing you to connect USB module like AIO and RGB controllers. And you have the front panel system header for your power reset LED switches to know your system is on. On this side, you will find the SATA ports. So you have 6 SATA ports for your storage. Then you have the USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, typically for your front USB port. And you have the power connectors. Beside it is the QLED for error checking. Along the top, you find the RGB 4-pin connector, your CPU up header for your AIO pump, and another CPU fan header. And beside it is looking at a sexy back of the top VRM heatsink and your 8-pin power connector. And if we're going to take a look at the rear I/O, we have the USB 3.2 Gen 2s. The teal one is the Type A. At the bottom you'll find the Type C. And you have the BIOS flashback button. You have the Ethernet ports. You have two USB 3.2 Gen 1s, display port, HDMI port. And next are the USB 2.0 ports. One has a BIOS flashback function. At the bottom you'll find another two 3.2 Gen 2s, and your audio ports or connectors. The onboard VRM of this motherboard utilizes 8+2 DR-MOS power stages that combine high side and low side MOSFETs and drivers into a single package, delivering the power and efficiency the 3rd gen AMD Ryzen processors demand. Because it's a B550 board, it features AMD's AM4 sockets that supports Ryzen 3000 CPUs and above. It does not support, as usual, the 3200G or the 3400G, but it will support later APUs. It's got 4 DDR4 RAM slots, which supports 128 gigs of total memory, and it also supports ECC memory feature. Also, it can now support 4th generation PCIe motherboard interface and will double the bandwidth available to GPUs, hard drives, SSDs, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet cards. The armored one is the only PCIe Gen 4 slot with the heatsink on, but that should be more than enough for most gamers. That's it, ladies and gents. That's my unboxing and quick overview of the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus motherboard. A huge shout out to my friend Brian for letting me review his motherboard. He sent me a message last night asking me if I wanted to try to unbox and give a quick overview of his motherboard before he tries to complete his set or his build. Then I said, of course, why not? Who am I to refuse, right? Aside from it's my first time unboxing a motherboard, this will be also my first seeing a motherboard with a B550 chipset. So huge thanks again, Brian, you're the man. Now this motherboard retails for around $170, available at Amazon and Newegg. It is also available locally for around 10 to 11,000 pesos. Available at your major PC parts retailers. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I was able to help you make that purchase decision. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My name is Wood and my channel's name is edwoodyward. Be safe. Peace.